Hello guys, so in this video we're going to take a look at how we can invite people to our Canva document so that they can collaborate and contribute to the file so they can make changes and so on. So what you want to do is go to share, and if you choose this option they're going to be able to just see the file itself, but they are not going to be able to make any changes. But if you come here and you add them to this menu, so make sure you type their email, you can send them a message. I'm going to type a message so that I can show you later how this is going to be received on the other end. So I'm going to send some message here, and then I'm going to click share. Now this is what the email is going to look like, that Canva will automatically generate so that people can collaborate. They are going to send this preview of the project, whatever message you had typed, and they can simply click on this link and they are going to be redirected to the project itself if their account is logged in, and here they can add their contributions, and it's going to automatically update for both ends. So that's it for today. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.